Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will discuss about data types and how to put a comment return data. Firstly, we know the comment. What is comment? Anything that we will write not for the purpose of a coding, but for the purpose of knowing about any code of that we write. For example, here I will write a comment. Simply, we will write as a from hash also. Here I want to know that I have printed the welcome to my first video. So I will write here welcome to my first video here also. But it will not include in my coding section and it will not affect in my code or it will not create any error. By adding a slash or hash, we will not get any errors in the comment. It is a one type of a one type of a comment, and by adding a hash, we will know that code will become in a green mark. It is the symbol of a hash. It is a one of the type of a comment. But if we want to add so many all the lines in a comment, so simply I have to select all the lines and click the control plus hash so that it will get a comment on all the on the line. It is a one type of a commenting. But if we want to comment in another type, let me know that here I have uncommented all. And if I want to comment this all, so simply go to my first drawing. So here I will add the commas here, three commas, continue, and here also three comma. Now the whole part I had gone for a comment. If we add a comment like this, like in by three comma from both the sides, then the color will be in orange so that we can know that it had got a comment. This is the lines that we know about the comments. Now we will go with the data types. So I will go with PPT and show you with the example also. In the data types, there are two types. Firstly, we will know about the data type. Data types are the types that where the data is written in form like in a text or in a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So these all are called data type. Here we will learn about the data type. Firstly, we will know about the types. In the data type, there are two types. One is basic data type and another one is a container type data type. Firstly, we will know about the basic data type. Here we have five types of data type in a basic data type. First one is integer. Integer means any whole numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, any type of numbers are called integers, which are in whole numbers. And second one is float. Float data type is in decimal points, like you will see here 5.2, 6.3, 7.4, etc. Decimal types of data are called float data type. And here one more data type, string data type. It contains only the text columns. Like here we will write our name or anything which is in a text form. These are called data types. And the fourth one data type is Boolean type data type. Boolean type data type is will contains only two formats. Either it will be a true or either it will be a false. It is called Boolean type of data type. And here we will have a fifth type of data type where complex data type. Complex data type contains both. Either it contains a whole number or decimal number or text. These data types are called as complex type of data. These all are basic data types where we will know about all the data types. We will go with the VS Code and solve this in a practical way. Firstly, we will go with the VS Code. Here our VS Code, and here I will create a new file. Called it as an integer type. Integer. Here it is a. I have created a file. Now I will take some variable like a has a variable equal to 7, and I will take a c has a variable equal to anything we can take like integers. Now it is our two data, any two variables where it contains integers. Now I will print statement like I want to print it or add it like a plus c. If I add this both, like 7 and 15, I will get the number called 22, where we will add it. So if I want to add this, simply just save and print. I will get here 22. So here now I want to check whether this data type is in the form of an integer or not. To check this, simply here if I add a cursor here, it will shows here some integer. Here you can see here instance integer. It will show them some integer type. Otherwise we have to give a print statement, print bracket open, and we want to know whether it is an integer form or not. So add type in bracket add a has a variable. Now save and run it. See here, after save and run, here we will get a class integer, and same I will print about the C, print type bracket C, and save and run. Here I will okay, I will add here add a variable also, so that I can understand of which variable it contains. Here dot see here I have got a two result. One is integer of 7 and another is integer of 15. These both are written in output. Now if I gave double inverted comma here, like suppose like this, and save and run, see here, now it is telling that it is in a string form, not in an integer form. So whichever we will write words like alphabets, we will write it in a single inverted or double inverted commas. So I hope you got an answer for these questions, like what is a string and what is a integer. And now we will go with the float. Firstly, we will know that what is float. Float means we will know that it is a data type where we will get in a decimal form. So now we will go with the VS Code, and I will comment this. Otherwise, I will take a new file as a float, so that you guys will know about what is the float means. Now I will take a variable same as like that, and add a 5.2 here, and we has a variable, and add 10.2 here, add a print state. In print I want to add this both, so that I will add a plus b. I will save it and run. See here, I will got 15.39 dash, so that now I got an answer, but I want what type of data type it is. And so if I want to check it, I will just give a print statement. After a print, you will see here I got that type is float. Float means we will know that whichever the words are in a decimal form, it will contain float. Float are the decimals. So we will know that float is a decimal. Now I will print the D also. Print type bracket D, and save and run. I will add here the variables, so that we can know about it. We'll add a comma and D, save, print. See here, I have got that it is a float. These both are in a float statement, float type of data. Now if I add double inverted comma here, or add here, and if I run both of this, so here we will see that already I have told you whichever words we will add a double inverted or single inverted comma, we will get it as a string. And now you seeing that now currently A is a string and D is in a float. I think you all got my query. So next we jump to another one. Another type of data is in Boolean type, which are in true or false or yes or no statements. We will continue this type of data in further videos, because it has so many queries. So we will add it in another video. Now we will go with the next type of data, which is container type. In a container type data, we will know that the data which is first one is list type of data. List data contain, okay, here's something missing. The square bracket will should come. I missed it. Here it is not complete. So in a list data type, the data will contain in a square bracket. Whichever the data will contain in a square are called in a list data type. So the another type of data is which is in tuple data. Tuple data type. Tuple data type contains in a curly bracket. The data which is contained in a curly bracket. You can know this curly bracket. Not in square, it is in a curly bracket. Tuple data types contains in curly bracket. And third one is set data. Set data type contains in a flower bracket. You will know it as a flower bracket. Whichever the data contains in a flower bracket called as set data. So our last data type is dictionary data type. In a dictionary data type, we will write a data in a square bracket and with the colon. Here you will see here two double dots which are called colon. We will go with the practical now. For a list data type, we will add a square bracket. So now I will go with the VS program and here I will add it as a list. Now suppose take a variable A and I want to add it in a list as 25, 35, something like that. And now I will give a print statement and add variable A and save and run. After running it, you will see here whatever the data I have written here is showing here. Now it is a data type. Now I want to get what type of data it is. So I will give a print statement and add a type bracket adding a variable A and save and print it. Now I will get it. See here. I have told you that whatever we will add in a square bracket, we will get it as a list and the data is in a list format. Now you guys are understand about the list. What is a list? It's about the list program, list data type. And now we will go with the tuple data. For tuple data, we will add it in a curly bracket. So we will go with the VS Code and create a new file. For tuple.py, I will take a variable A. There is no rule to take only variable as a A. We can take any type of data, any type of letters as a variable. Only for the understand, I will taking a variable as a A and add 5, 3, I will print this variable A, save and run. Here you will see that whatever I have printed, it had came out output. Now I want to know that what type of data it is. Simply I want to go with the data type bracket A equals save and print. Here you got it. Whichever is in the curly bracket, you will know that data type has tuple. You guys note it, tuple. Whatever data we will add in a curly bracket, these are called as tuple. Now we will go with the set type of data. Here I will create one more folder. Now I will give a variable and add it in a square. Here I will add anything to or add any name add any name like this, and I will give a print statement a as a variable, enter, print, and see here a result. Whatever I have added here, it is going to run here. Now I will give it in a print statement. We want to know that data type type in bracket a, and save and run. Here we will know that this is in the format of set. Whatever we will add in the bracket of flower bracket, we will going to know it as a set type of data. And in tuple, I have missed one thing called if I want to change this. If I change this, it's not going to change uh, in the data. It will show some error. So tuple cannot be changed, but anything can be changed like integers, list, or set. Anything can be changed, but tuple type of data can't be able to change. Now, the last type of data is dictionary type. Dictionary type data contains in a flower bracket and with the colons. Dictionary, I will write it in a shortcut dic dot ey and print it. Here, I will take variable has a a and add a flower bracket, name array, and I will give here colon. Now here, what it happens? Oh, okay. Here I have to give equal to sign and print statement. Save a as a variable and save it and print it. After giving a print statement, I am going to know that name equal to Virat. Here a has a variable which contains name equal to Virat. Now I will check it data type. Check the data type. We will simply add print statement and add a type in flower bracket in column. We will add a as a variable and save and print it. Here we will know that name is equal to Virat and the class like data type is equal to dict. It will show us in a shortcut way. We should understand that it is in a dictionary type. So in this video, that's it. We will meet you in the next video. Until that, if you have learned something from this video, or share our video so that all the people can know about the videos and learn something new. So in this video, that's it. I will meet you in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching. Thanks. Bye bye.